Hello everyone. This video is without script. It's a test if you want me to record my voice in my next video. You will watch me just make a sketch about one of my characters. And this video is also a tutorial, since I use the simplest practice to draw a character. Like I said, this is not a drawing, this is just a sketch. I will post this later after I finish it. God, I sound horrible. Anyways, I was wondering, would you care if I make my videos a horror video? I will make a story about multiple characters, voice acted, without voice acted, I don't really know. Like I said, this video is just a test if you want or like my voice to be in the next videos. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you for everything, to be honest. But whoever sees this video, thank you. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.